Your ride is more than just miles. It's a mission to squeeze more freedom out of every click of the odometer. To see more, feel more, and experience more. Anywhere the road takes you. More is exactly what you'll discover with the 2017 touring bikes from Harley-Davidson. 2 cylinders, 8 valves, and power that will unleash your soul. The all-new MIlwaukee 8 engine, paired with a new suspension that delivers more comfort and control on every ride. What does uncompromised freedom feel like? Why don't you find out for yourself?